you came to our house to fetch our fire. What? Yes!
What did you do that for?
I quenched the fire.
Why?
Why did you come to our house to fetch fire? Oh! So you want to use our fire to cook for you and your brother? Abi? Ijom. How many times have we warned you not to come to our house and collect anything again? Oh, so you want to use our own fire to cook for you and your witch brother? Abi?
It is just fire. Ordinary fire. You didn't have to do that.
It is just fire. Another fire. You don't have to do that. I have done it already. What will you do? And what can you do? Or what will you and your witch brother do? Look at her. Let me warn you. Don't you ever in this your miserable life come to our house again to collect anything.
Ijoma. 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 Yes. Ijoma. What is it? Why are you looking like this? Come. Come and sit down.
So Gechi.
Come and sit down.
Gechi again.
Sit down. What has she done this time?
I was about to cook. I already made fire. I was about to peel the yam. Only for Ogechi to surface from nowhere and use the cup of water she was holding to quench the entire fire.
What? How can she do a thing like that in my compound? Is she crazy?
According to her, she has warned me several times not to take anything that belongs to them.
Why didn't you go somewhere else to fetch the fire?
I didn't see. Even when I tried to revive the fire, it was nothing left for me to revive.
Then you have to buy some matches or something.
With which money?
How much is it?
It's 30 naira. We don't have 30.
This is all I have. I have an idea. Can you tell them to, share a box of matches into two and give you one of it?
I don't know if they will agree. Oh. I've never heard of.
But you can try now. Eh? Ask them to share the box of matches into two and give you one of them.
I'll go and tell them. I don't know. I hope they agree because me, I don't know where else to get fire from.
But each of us is better than receiving insults from people. Eh?
Here you get. Stop them. Where are you coming from?
Where does it look like? Can't you see I'm coming from this stream?
You're coming from the stream. On whose permission?
Do I need to take permission from you before going to the stream to get drinking water?
Yes. You're supposed to take permission because you're not from this village.
Says who?
You can't come from another village to fetch water from this village. Do you want to dry our stream?
I don't get you. Says who?
Says I, Bob. So it's either you give me some money or you drop the water you're carrying. I am talking to you.
Is anything wrong with you?
I am talking to you. See, let me tell you something. If you try nonsense now, I will redesign your face with blows. Is something wrong with you?
I can see you are not okay.
Is it me you're talking to?
Uncle Ndudi. Uncle Ndudi. Uncle, good morning, sir. Uncle, good morning, sir.
What can I do for you?
Sir?
What can I do for you?
Uncle, please, I need a favor. I don't know if it's possible to borrow some of your empty palm wine gallons. The ones I have are filled up.
You want me to borrow you empty gallons?
Empty palm wine gallons, sir.
Indirectly telling me that I will not be able to tap enough to fill my own gallons.
No, Uncle,
That's what it is.
Uncle, no, that's not what I meant. I just want to borrow empty palm wine gallons, that's all.
Oh, okay, I'll borrow you. Oh, wait, let me. Oh.
I thought you...
My gallon.
Uncle, just make it 4 or 5.
You've come to mock me. Eh? I won't be able to tap enough palm wine to fill my gallons. Idiot. Nonsense.
Uncle Chuka, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine.
You didn't go to school today?
No, today is Saturday.
Oh!
My father asked me to come and buy palm wine from you.
Palm wine?
Yes.
Hi.
He's in a meeting.
Hi. Mine is finished. But you know what? Give me the money. I'll get from Uncle Ndude.
No, he didn't ask me to buy from him. He doesn't like his wine.
Why? Ah. Okay, that's fine. Just give me the money, eh? I'll go and fetch some for you. But the thing is, I hope it won't be late by the time I am back.
I don't know when you are coming back.
Okay, it's okay. I'll bring it to you when I come back. Huh? It's okay. Greet your father for me.
All right.
So tell him I'm not buying from Ndudi.
All right, no problem.
Chuka, where are you going to?
Where am I going to?
Yes. Chuka, how many times will I warn you not to tap those palm trees? Now I'm okay. How many times?
But Uncle, my father used to tap it before he died.
And now he's no more. He's dead.
Well, I'm trying to continue from where he stopped.
I would want to warn you again. I won't want to warn you again. Those palm trees does not belong to your father. Stop tapping them. I just left him to be tapping it because he was my brother, for brother's sake. They are not his. They are mine. Gotia ko bali yulu. Inanuya. Gotia ko bali yulu. Inanuya. Agwacha kwangi.
Come and stop me. Come and stop me.
Brother,
You're
welcome.
Water.
Let me get up.
Thank you.
Sorry. I sold the palm wine and I bought the food stuff like you said. Yes.
Is my food ready?
Yes.
Okay.
But you take your bath first, then you eat.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But I'm hungry.
But you bath first.
One gallon, eh? Huh? Are you know what?
How much is a gallon of palm wine? How much are you selling it?
But I thought you were buying from that man there.
That man, that palm wine is not sweet. I don't know what that man brought. That is not sweet. I want to buy your own.
I can only give you 4 liters.
4 liters?
Because someone has bought this one. Yes.
No problem. I'll buy it. Even if it's 1 liter, I'll buy it.
Please raise it up.
Okay.
Take it up.
If you see what that wretched, stupid idiot did to me today, you won't believe it.
You mean Chuka?
He is the person. While I was selling my palm wine to someone who wants to buy, he came around and said to my face that I do not usually sell good palm wine. That man left me. He didn't buy again.
Eh?
Who would want to buy from someone who doesn't sell good palm wine?
You mean to say the customer did not buy from you again?
He didn't.
Oh.
Only for Chuka to divert him to his own palm wine, and he bought from him.
Ndode, what do you expect me to say now? You are the cause of all these things.
How?
Yes, you are the cause of it. Am I lying?
That is it now.
Are you not the one that allowed him to be tapping from your own palm wine twins? Oh, Bragawan. Eh? Yet, he goes around spoiling your name. Ndode, when will you grow up to be a man you are supposed to be? Because to me, now, you are not a man. Yes, you don't behave as one. If you want to prove me wrong, then stand on your feet and stop him from touching anything that belongs to you. If you do that, I will then know that you are a man. Eh? Act like a man.
Steve, my fear is that if I do all that you are suggesting, what will the people around us say?
Ha! Papa, wait, Papa. So, Papa, your concern is what people will say. Eh? Those people put food on your table. Do they put food on your table? So, Papa, what they want you to do is to sit down, fold your hands, and allow that small boy to snatch away what belongs to you, Papa. Hey, Papa, if you say yes to that, I will say no. Never. Abi, Mama. Papa, don't do that, oh. Yeah.
Don't worry, I know what to do. I will tell him that I contributed money to my brother when he went to marry his mother. This insult Chuka brought to me today. I will teach him. I will teach him how much tortoise are sold at Okeolumbe.
Until I see your action. Until you put it into action. I don't believe your talk is too much. But to put it into action, no way. Papa, you should be ashamed of yourself. So kind of thing that comes out from your mouth. You should be acting like a man and not a woman. Papa, you're just acting like a woman. You say me okay? I don't even take yes for an answer. You see as I am, I have long time give them distance. You see that one that they call, what's that? Ijoma. Ijoma can't even cross my path. Me that is a woman. You that is the head of the family, you're behaving like the bottom of the family. Why, Papa? Why, Papa? Allow me to take your actions. If I was in your shoe, you see this village, hey! They will only hear that such a village exists, but they cannot enter. But your own, Mona, do they feed you? Do they even know how you feed? That's why I'm not even wearing good clothes, because you cannot take action as a man. Me, I've planned my own actions. What I would do to her. Mama, you know what I can do now, huh? Anytime you will beat her or fight her, make sure you inform me so that I will hold her legs for you to beat her very well. Mama, you should know who you give birth to. You don't need to. I will deal with her personally.
Iji Ejiogu Odogwu dika iji ejemba Odogwu akataka Dalo.
My good friend, the only man that makes this village happy.
Yes.
With palm wine.
Tell them.
The only man that does not add a drop of water in his palm wine.
Oh yes. Oh, I
greet you.
Oh, thank you.
I greet you.
Thank you. Ojogu, as you can see, I was hurrying to your place.
House?
Yes, but thank God I met you here.
Okay. I hope all is well. Okay, let's get to my house.
No, we can talk it over here. We can talk
Are you sure?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I'm all yes.
Ojogu, you know it will be bad to hear that an elder like me stays in the house and watch a dog, chop the meat that is kept on fire. Ojogu, what I'm seeing in my house is beyond me.
My friend, please talk to me in a language I will understand.
You can remember when my brother died.
Yes.
His son, Chuka, started claiming our father's house. If not that Omona stopped him, I would have been homeless, Keta.
Is he at it again?
I know, but he is biting more than he can chew. He is tapping all the palm trees that their father left for us. In as much as I am the person tapping them. That did not anger me, but what my gross is that he goes about castigating me, talking bad of my palm wine. And that now makes me look as if I am selling poison to the public. I have warned him severally to stop that, but he refused to heed to my advice or my warning. He refused. Warn him.
If Chuka really said all this about your palm wine, he didn't do well. I will find a way to talk to him so that he will stop spoiling your business. You know we respect you so much in this village and this community as our Ichie. I called you that respect. I would want you to warn him. And also to tell him to remove his hand from all the palm trees that our father left for us. Let him not tap them anymore. Okay. You mean it is not only to ask him not to spoil your name, you also want me to warn him not to tap the palm trees your father left for you?
Bam! Let him remove his hand from them. Man.
Are you sure?
Okay, let's be going. Let's get to my house. I have some fresh palm wine.
Let me be fresh one.
Very fresh. Very fresh.
This one that your brother is telling
Very
me.
Fresh.
Okay.
Very fresh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my dear. What can I do for you?
I'm here to see Chuka, the palm wine seller. Yes.
I hope there's no problem.
No. I want to buy a gallon of palm wine. Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
I'm from Akum, the neighboring village here.
Okay. Let me feel for you before I
No, don't worry. I want to buy from Chuka himself. Because the last time I bought from him at the market, my people loved the drink. They want me to buy from him again. So I want to buy from Chuka himself. Now, where can I see Chuka? I want to buy from him.
Oh, get that off here. These things I carry, are they not palm wine?
Are they poison? Nonsense.
This palm wine is so fresh. I think the palm wine tapa did add a drop of water in it.
I'm telling you, this is the type of palm wine. After taking it, if you eventually meet with your wife, it will be twins, baby. I'm telling you, so fresh.
I am going to order for a keg of palm wine because my in-laws will be visiting me next Ege market day.
It doesn't cost much. It's just a token.
Where did you buy it?
It's my son that bought it at the AK market.
Okay. Are you going to buy the same thing for me?
Oh no, it's Chuka that tapped it.
I thought it was.
Is there any problem?
Chuka's palm wine is always the best. His palm wine is the best in the entire village. Don't you know that?
I have had that I do not tap good palm wine. Chuka's palm wine is the best. No problem. No problem. But at least I have good handwork. Not like you fools. You lazy fools that go from house to house looking for free food and free drink.
We fools.
Free? You are fools.
What is this one?
Nonsense.
Oh my hands.
Yes. You can go all I care. It's a good food.
Uncle, good morning, sir.
Chuka, so you have dusted your pants and trousers and decided to put me out of business in this village.
Out of business? Uncle, I don't understand.
Why are you doing this to me?
What have I done? Doing what?
Did you sell palm wine to Mazim Mbamalo's son?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
But he decided to buy mine after tasting others.
And that was all?
That was all.
Didn't you tell him that my own palm wine is always watery and rubbish? You know,
No. But Uncle, how can I say a thing like that?
Chuka,
Uncle?
be warned.
Huh?
I say be warned.
Be warned for what?
Here is Nanya.
Huh?
Agwarangi, here is Nanya.
Uncle, come and stop me. Oh, so I shouldn't sell palm wine again because you're the only person who sells palm wine in this village.
Chuka, here is Nanya.
Be warned, be warned.
You want to put me out of business in this village? Ha! Why
You want every time, you want. Every time.
Okay,
so that you don't sell palm wine again because you're the only one who sells palm wine in this village.
Stop putting me out of business in this village.
Yeah, you are jealous because my palm wine is sweeter than your own.
I won't warn you again, no.
Don't kill me now, don't kill me. Hey, don't kill me. No. Mama. Chuka, why? Chuka, why? Eh? Why do you want to kill me now? Eh? Mama is not even... Why would they want to kill my family? Eh? Chuka is not me now. It's not us. Eh? You know the people that made you poor now. Why do you want to kill us? Eh? What do you think of it? No. I can't sit here and allow them finish my family. Never. Okay. I have to do something. My life is not even alive.
Like this as if you have seen the devil in red. I hope all is well.
No, all is not well. I have seen the devil in red, in purple, in green, and in yellow. I've seen it in all colors. You see of this Joma and the brother. Do you know that those two have dusted their bumble just to see me and my family go down in this village? And then you see me, okay, I will never let that happen. Never. Never in this village.
What happened this time around? What did they do?
They have even done the worst. Eh? See now, I came back from fetching firewood, okay, and I was so very tired. Eh? And I decided to rest. Before I knew, Chuka came from nowhere with a very long big stick. Before I know, he now hit me with the stick.
Did I hear you clearly? You mean it happens in the dream or what?
Are you deaf? I said it's in the dream.
It's nothing. It's just dream.
No. Don't call it nothing. No. Hey! It is not nothing, it is something. Before anything happened in the physical, that's already happened in the dream. So you don't know that dream controls the physical. See, I can never take it lightly because that's already happened in the dream. And it can happen in the physical. You see, as you see me so, I am going to the house. I will finish them. I will not let those two trouble me and my family anymore. So don't stop me.
Okay, it's nothing. Calm down. It's nothing. I was even going to your house. Eh?
It's not nothing.
It's nothing.
He hit me something in the dream. I mean, I want to go and hit him in the face.
Okay, it's nothing. Please calm down. Eh? Calm down. Let's go. Calm down. It's nothing.
I shouldn't go there.
Let's go back. I was coming to your house. Let's go back. Eh? It's nothing. Just calm down.
Ijoma.
Okay, it's not.
By the time I'm done with you in this village will know me and you.
Yes, they will know you and her. Let's go. It's nothing. Let's go. Leave the stick. It's nothing. It's just drink. Okay, it's drink. It's drink. Yes, it's just drink. It's nothing. Nothing will happen.
Who is here? Up now.
I need palm wine. I want to buy palm wine.
I don't have palm wine. No.
You don't have palm wine?
No, it's finished.
Hey, okay. When are you going to have it?
Don't worry. When I fetch some, I'll call you.
Okay, no problem. I'll come back next time.
All right. All this place? Huh?
Now. Huh? See, what are you saying? Are you doing it for me or I should look for another person?
Madam, there's work here.
The money I will offer you too is big. So don't tell me there is work. Oh, you go come away. So tell me, what are you saying?
Madam,
what are you going to
you
collect?
give us 5,000.
5,000?
Yes.
5,000?
5,000?
Here! Then I will only pay 3,000.
3,000?
Yes. Is it not from here to that place?
How?
You are doing as if...
Madam, to weed this farm is a lot of work. And I have to call my sister to join me.
Before, uncle, the money I will offer you people is not big too. So don't tell me that. 3,000. In Alo, are you doing it or you should leave it?
Madam, 3,000 is too small. Just give us 4,000.
I don't have 4,000.
Madam, there's a lot of work in this farm now. Can you not see?
There's a lot of money I will pay you people. How much of them? It's 3,000 I will pay. Take
Madam,
it or you
I'm
leave
sorry,
it.
I can't do the job for 3,000 because I have to call my sister to join me.
We're not so bad at all. There are so many people that are looking for the job to do. So should I start going now?
Madam, give us 4,000.
3,000. Are you taking it?
Huh?
Or should I? 3,000.
Madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm not taking it.
You don't want to take it? Anna, go for more.
No problem, you can go. Madam, come now, come. It's not like that now.
You need this money.
Madam, give me advance, let me start work. Because I have to call my sister to join me.
I don't have any money on me. But when you come out in the afternoon, just come to me. I will check,
no problem.
I'll check my pockets. Okay, wait. I think I have some money with me here. You like it when they go too much.
Madam, can you not see the work in this farm? I have to call my sister to come and join me.
Please, this is what I can afford for now. Take.
How much is this?
See, make sure you clear everything. Now, how much?
600.
You are talking as if I will not pay you. Just part of your money. Because make sure you clear everything. Why off now? Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Ma, we're done with the work.
So?
I was on my way to your house to tell you so that you can pay us our money.
You think it's that simple? You have finished the work and you want to collect your money?
Yes.
So won't I supervise what you people did before paying you?
You can come with me to the farm. I'll show you what we have done. We did a good job. Yes.
And you think I dress like this to go to the farm? Hey, please, I'm going to the meeting. Maybe by tomorrow you can come. Probably by then I would have supervised what you people did. Then I will not pay you your money. Even if nobody told you, don't you have eye? Look at the way I dress, and you want me to pay you on the road. Here.
Ijoma, don't tell me you didn't come with the money.
I didn't.
What? So what's her excuse this time?
She said she will pay when she inspects our work.
Ha! But I thought she has seen the farm and she has confirmed we did a good job.
I didn't see it. I met her on her way out. She said she was going for a meeting and would make payment tomorrow after confirming our work.
Ha! Ijoma, after putting all our energy on that farm, did you see the level of work I did? Okay, what do we eat this afternoon?
We still have Gary from the one I bought yesterday. We can manage that. Tomorrow when she makes payment, we'll buy food stuff. Thank God you're here. I have been sitting here waiting for... What is it?
You just said good afternoon. What is good about this afternoon, Ijon? No, tell me what is good about the afternoon.
I need help with this firewood. It's very heavy. So now that you're here, you help me lift it and put it on my head.
Hey, wait, they're busy turning around, turning up and down. You want me, okay, to help you and lift it? Is that?
What is wrong with that?
Hey! So you don't know everything is wrong. I mean, everything is wrong with it. See, let me tell you, Ijoma. Look at my hands. Ijoma, just look at your color and look at my color. So you want me, okay, to use this my beautiful hands to touch this your infected firewood? Never! Look at me now. I can never do such. Hey, so you don't know that this your firewood you're carrying is infected? No. Let me refresh your memory. So you don't know that if a beautiful girl like me touch something that is infected, like this your firewood, I mean, you're infected with poverty. Don't you know I will also be poor like you? I don't want to be poor like you, Ijoma. Just take a look at me. Did you see me? What the hell? What there with your bunch of firewood?
Dalulo! Come your hand. How much is firewood? 1,000.
Get it?
The firewood is big.
It's very costly. Are you not selling for 300?
No.
That is the much I can pay. I can take it to another place. No problem.
Come and take.
For 300 naira. But please, do you know where I sell my akara? So you can help me take it to my shop, please. Is there a problem?
Chukale! Who is here? Chuka no here?
Nah, greetings. Deo.
Chuka, keep all these your greetings. It's you that will come to see.
Please have a seat.
Yeah, young man. There's no time. Don't need to sit.
No time for sitting down. This man here, his name is Gregory. He is the one that bought that land. I brought him here to introduce him to you. Yes. So whatever you have on that land, take it, collect it immediately, because it now belongs to him. Yes. Now.
But my crops are not due for harvest.
Yeah? Yes, sir.
The crops on the land are not due for harvest.
Look, young man, calculate everything there. I will pay you the worth of the crops because I want to commence work immediately.
That's it. Are you working out on us? Chuka! You see what I told you?
That's what else.
This boy has no respect for anybody. But don't worry, there is no problem. the land now belongs to you. You can commence work. Bidolo. Ego Jiolo. Bidolo. It's the ego now.
Good afternoon.
This one you saw me and stopped with your face like this. I don't have money to give to you. So it's better you waka pass wherever you want to go.
I didn't come to see you. I came to see her.
Me? I hope all is well.
Please, can we talk in private? I need to speak to you privately.
Private. Say whatever you want to say here. Choka. The instruction is say whatever you want to say here. If you had wanted to talk with her privately, you would have waited for her in her home. Oh. If she comes back, you talk to her. But as you can see, we are in the middle of an important discussion. So we better waka pass.
Okay, that's fine. I came to get my money. I went to your house and they said you went out. Well, where's the money? Madam, you promised to give me my money. You said your son was to send you money and you were going to give me the money in 2 days. That 2 days has passed. So where's the money?
Yes, my son sent money, but he forgot to include yours. He only sent money for those working for him, building his house, and my upkeep. Okucha.
Madam.
So you will have patience, maybe by month ending, he will send another money.
Madam, what are you trying to say? Are you trying to rob me of my hard work? Did you not see the work I did on that farm? Eh? Are you trying to say my money is not important to me? Eh?
Did I say your money is not important to you? I did not say that. I only said you should exercise patience till month ending. My son will definitely send another money.
What should I tell my sister? Madam, what you are doing is wickedness.
Chuka, whatever you call yourself, hold it there. I said, match it there. I would not have you insult my friend before my very presence. You know, and moreover, is there no other work for you to do apart from clearing bushes and tapping wine? Your mates are in the city making real and better money. Madam,
don't say I didn't warn you. I want my money. Bring my money.
Get out of here! Get out of here before I change it for you. Hey! Money. I think oh, your son did not include his money. When did he? Even next month.
Ejiofor, you are my only brother. We should unite as one and not allow enemy to infiltrate our family and disorganize us. So that is why I called you people to initiate this peace move. And we should also let our children emulate this peace move and be united.
You see, I am so happy for this your new decision. Eh? This is how it's supposed to be.
Oh yes.
But you see, it's just that we allow these bad people to infuse this bad blood into our veins.
Enemies.
Eh? Which is, if we can stop listening to these gossips, definitely all will be well. Let's just see if we can avoid it completely.
Yes.
I'm telling you, this peace move you have just decided now will definitely hold forever.
Oh, that's it. Monica, bring the food now.
Hey.
Just stay
Yeah,
delicious
food.
Hey, I prepared this specially for both of you.
It's a good one.
So delicious.
In fact, arranging for the peace move to stabilize.
Okay.
My friend, you are not joining us.
Our own is inside there.
Coming to this carry.
I will the power.
Because I is avoiding me.
Oh no, he is the enemy.
Ndara everywhere.
I don't mind them.
He was saying this to confuse us, Nine. I was inside, watching him while he was talking. The way he was twisting his mouth, you will know that all he said was not from his heart. See, you have to act fast now and make sure you get your own share of your father's property. Because if you leave a Ejiofor, him and his family, he will make sure that he connive everything and he will just leave us empty-handed.
Don't bother yourself.
Have you seen where we are living? If you like it, I don't like it too. Act fast too.
Don't just bother yourself. I'm not a child. Soon you will see what will happen.
Anyway, I trust myself, even if I don't trust you.
Hey!
Obedient!
Obedient!
What's happened? How did it happen?
Chuka, you're doing this again. Huh?
I'm not crying. But, Ijoma, why should things continue like this? Who did we offend?
You didn't offend anybody. And you have to stop doing this to yourself. We'll survive. We'll survive. You see that I've started firewood business and we're getting small money from there. And if you join me, we'll make ×2 the money that I'm making. We'll keep at it till God shows up for us in a bigger way.
Huh? I should join your firewood business?
Yes. What is that?
Huh? I didn't say anything.
So?
So?